Hey guys, how are you today? It is Wednesday, which is day 17, I believe, of our video blogging challenge. And yesterday I didn't do a video because my actual blog was about some really awesome motivational videos that are on YouTube from Red Frost Motivation, and they're awesome. They're super awesome. So I posted like 5 of them on there. So I didn't want to do another video as well and inundate it with videos. So you need to check out yesterday's blog for some super awesome motivational videos that are on YouTube that, they're like 3 to 5 minutes long, and they're really pump you up in a day when you need to be pumped. So today is very wet Wednesday in Florida, another beautiful wet day here. And although it's 65, 70 degrees, it's still wet. And today the information I'm going to be bringing is really more on quotes, inspirational quotes that can really, you can tap into them, because you can write these quotes down and post them around your house or post them on your mirrors and just look at them every single day, because they truly can inspire you and lift you up no matter what the reason may be that you're feeling down or whatever it is. Don't think that you can't handle anything or achieve anything or do anything, just go ahead and get out there and do it, because you deserve to do whatever it is you want to do. Take a trip, have fun, go to a different job, work from home, be your own boss, change careers when you're in your 40s. It doesn't matter what you want to do. Just know that you can do it. And be inspired, inspire yourself, and connect with people that are also on the same level as you. Connect with people that are motivational and inspirational, and be around people that are like-minded, because that will help you get through whatever period you need to get through. Get around positive people, not the downy niggers and the naysayers and all the ones that have a lot to say about people, and think they live their lives on a pedestal. But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about just being positive and being in the right frame of mind and having great inspiration. So I want you guys to pop over to my blog today, where I'm going to have maybe, 10, 15, 20 awesome quotes from, guys like Jim Rohn and Zig Ziglar and others that motivate you and that can really truly inspire you. So pop on over there. Maybe you'll pick up a few that you haven't seen before, or you'll pick up many, and you can jot them down on stickies and post them all over your house, or post them in your mirrors in your bathroom, and just look at them every single day and know that you can achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. I'll look at the lonely old boater out there today on this wet Wednesday. Anyway, just have a fabulous day wherever you might be, and enjoy. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow on Thursday. Hopefully it's not raining again, or it'll be Thirsty Thursday or something here. Anyway, you have a fabulous Wednesday. Ciao, 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 everybody. Be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Be well. Bye-bye.